Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life.
Hey everyone, welcome to day one of the hashtag Trio of Treasures 2025 challenge. I'm so thrilled to be here alongside two incredibly creative women, Kiki at Near Designs and Sonya at Artsy Solutions. This whole challenge has taken on a special meaning for all three of us, and it's an honor to craft alongside them. So be sure to read the description box for everything you need to participate and enter the giveaway, because it's all there. So I can stay focused on showing you the makes without too many squirrel moments. Let's get to it. So I had one thing in mind in terms of what I wanted to create, and then I said, oh my gosh, recycle what you have. So I decided to take the daily creative cards prompt for today and recycle it. I did reduce the Butterflies of Belonging freebie a little bit, and I also added some backing paper from the Trio Blossom kit, and I'm showing you some of the other supplies that I will be using to create this make. So here I'm cutting day one from the daily creative card, and I did make a mistake, true story, but it all worked out. You just improvise, and I think we've all gone through that. So I'm using one of the sheets from Trio of Blossoms to adhere to the front, and then I also took my Versamark pen, if you will, to emboss that rose, and then gave it a little score on the top. I also took one of the butterflies and embossed it, and then took some cheesecloth that already came colored from Hobby Lobby, and I cut a little banner out of fabric, and I do end up distressing that banner just a tad. And next is something I'm working on called GrungeBoards, and it'll be coming soon. I did use some of the Robin's Egg blue acrylic paint to give it a little bit of touch with the ink splatters, if you will, and used just notebook from a Dollar Tree pad to attach to the back, and it will slip nicely over the front of the cascading mini journal, and it's a wonderful little journaling spot, and it tucks also on the front of the cover. I hope that this has inspired you, and I'm so looking forward to day two as we're diving into washi and some other fun embellishments. And here I'm showing you the grungy boards that we'll be talking more about in a future project, but I did shrink the tracker, and I wrote video and comment, and I visited the channels, and I'm going to continue to visit as many of you as possible to make sure that I soak it all in. So don't forget to download your freebie, leave a comment, and on all three videos this week, and make sure to follow all three of us, and I can't wait to see you on day two. Thank you so much. Take care.